medalist at the Sydney Olympics. Very good results at the Laohs Global Champs Tour. Shanghai, marker here, Rice Caster Lutas, Balermo 2-6 by Balermo. The Brazilian flag fence at 3. Kutscher turns now to the triple combination line, 4 ABC. Laohs TV vertical with the water tray underneath and a rollback turn. Talent Associates vertical. Jump the other way. Problematic for the 2-star horses. Easy enough for our 5 stars. Marker puts 4 in there. The Athena Nassus Horse Show fence and the Longines vertical. 9 seconds the time allowed. This 460-meter track. One more to go. We've seen plenty of dreams come to naught at the last fence, but it doesn't for Martin Kutscher. Balermo 2-6 for Germany.